Hello students, welcome to Shore Upsar classes. Now today we have a question on non-essential mineral nutrients or elements. So the question is about non-essential mineral nutrients or elements that are required by which of these following. So now we have an option that is all plants to perform their metabolic activities. The option A is all plants to perform their metabolic activities. In option B, we have certain plants but not all. So, certain plants but not all to perform their metabolic activities. Now, in third one, we have all plants to complete their life cycle. So, all plants to complete their life cycle. And option D is both A and C. Now let me tell you one thing, that first of all I want to change my pen color. Okay, so there are some minerals or nutrient, whatever it say, some minerals or nutrient, or we can say elements. There are some but not all that are required for metabolic activities, are required for metabolic activity because they are non-essential. So now we know what are the non-essential mineral or nutrient. So there are certain plants but not all to perform this metabolic activity. So this will be the correct answer, but for reference I want to give you some examples on this. So these examples are like silicon, sodium, cadmium, that is also called Cd, and cobalt. You can write it as Co, cobalt, and many more. So these are the examples of these non-essential nutrients in metabolic pathway or activities. So this is the correct answer for this following question. So moving to the next question. Okay, this one is interesting. We have a question on major cattle viral disease. So we have major cattle viral disease and we have these four options and we have to find out which one is major cattle virus disease. So now we have in options brucellosis, and brucellosis is a fungal disease that causes by fungal, okay, in cattle, obviously in cattle. Okay, now foot and mouth disease and ringworm, this is also fungal. Okay, so now we have this foot and mouth disease. Well, this is the correct answer, and this one is the major cattle viral disease. So this one is, okay, I can write over here. Let me change the color again. This one is viral disease that occurs in cattle. So we have a correct answer, and there was none of the above. No, this is wrong. So we have 3 wrong answer, and correct answer we have is mouth and foot disease, and this one is the major viral cattle disease. So now moving to the next question. Okay, this question is about nitrogen fixation. So we have to select the correct statement regarding this nitrogen fixation. And we have in statement 1, nitrogen is the most prevalent element in living organism. In the next statement, we have nitrogen that is available in soil only. Okay. The third, we have nitrogen exists in molecular, that is N2 form, which is highly inert gas. And now we have these options, so which will be the correct answer. So for description, I want to insert a page. Okay, so now we have a page, and so in the option 1, that was in the statement 1, I rather say, what we had, that nitrogen that is very prevalent element in living organism. Okay, so let me tell you that for living organism, we have many elements. First one is like carbon. Okay, let me use the eraser. Okay, I'm writing it in full. Carbon. Second one is hydrogen. Third one is oxygen. We all know oxygen. And the fourth one is this nitrogen. So this is not the prevalent element in living organism. This is the fourth most element. Obviously this is required in living organism, but not the prevalent one. Okay. So our first statement was incorrect. Okay. Now in the second statement, we have that the nitrogen is available in soil. So in soil, nitrogen is very limited. N2 is limited. It's only available in abundant amount in atmosphere. Okay. So the second point also incorrect. Statement that is also incorrect. Okay. Now in the third statement, we had that nitrogen exists in molecular nitrogen form. Yes, nitrogen only exists in this molecular form. And let me tell you another thing, that for most living organisms and for plant, it's really difficult to take this molecular nitrogen or the nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. And this is really abundant in atmosphere as molecular level or in the form of molecular nitrogen. So going back to our question, here in option C, that says only 3, that is the statement, this nitrogen exists in molecular nitrogen form, which is highly inert gas. Yes, one thing I forgot to tell you, that nitrogen is highly inert. It's inert. So it is in inert form. So only option 3 is the correct. Okay. this option 1 was incorrect, option 2 was also incorrect, so option 1 and 2, option D is also incorrect. So we have the correct answer, that is only 3 statement. The third statement is the right one. So thank you for watching this video.